This is for my burnt out girlies who are ready to reclaim their peace. I help busy women organize their lives and wellness plans so they can enjoy a well nourished life. Today is all about feeling burnt out, and here's how to take the first step towards recovery. That is prioritizing you, making yourself a priority. If you're watching this, you're probably a caretaker, a mother, a woman in a leadership position where you're constantly pouring out. You're pouring out to your kids, you're pouring out to your husband, you're pouring out to your family, you're pouring out to your job, you're pouring out to everywhere else. But when was the last time you poured into your now that you've Jesus had that moment. Now that you've had that moment, if it hasn't been within like the last day or two, this video is for you. So I want you to turn your listening ears on, take some notes. This won't be long, but I really want to encourage you to start making yourself a priority in your life. One, when we're on an airplane, they tell us to do what? Put your mask on first, Queen. So, knowing that, and please excuse if you can hear outside, you have to put your own mask on. That means pouring into your well. So, if you saw my first video from our 90-day Well Nourished Era series, you have to put you first at the beginning of your day. So, this also just becomes a mindset of prioritizing you. This is going to keep you from saying yes to the things you don't want to. This is going to let you say no with confidence when you do want to. And when you do these things, burnout doesn't come because you begin to phase out all of the things that would do that to you because your body is like, hey, you know, this isn't for us. So, the first step to burnout recovery is prioritizing you. And what I want you to do is to affirm recovering people pleaser in the comments because one of the biggest things that leads to burnout is being a people pleaser because you don't know how to tell them no. You don't know how to get out of commitments maybe you did say yes to, but you didn't consider how you would feel or something popped up and it's just not working for you. You are a recovered people pleaser. Not even recovering, recovered. You're recovered from it. We're moving forward and we're prioritizing ourselves for the rest of our lives from on today. Okay? Comment below, recovered people pleaser. If you like this video, make sure you're following me so that you can stay tuned for the 90-day Well Nourished Era series, where I'm going to lead you through life organization, mindset shifts, nourishing and nurturing self-care practices that are going to help you enter your well-nourished era way before winter even hits. So remember to join. And if you're ready to bounce back from burnout for good, I invite you to check out the link in my bio where you can get my bounce back from burnout class, complete with a feel good, feel. Sorry, this is my second one. But you get a fit, feel good bundle that I'm going to give you with the class that's going to give you the tools to bounce back. And then the bundle is going to give you the resources to help you expand in each area. I'll see you inside.